Hey guys, welcome back to the Laux family farm. Today, Alex, the kids, and I are getting in the truck and heading out to town extra early to go to our local Tractor Supply. We are meeting Andry's fish farm. They're making some deliveries of fish. So in the fall, we did have Andry's Fish Farms come here to our property to bring us fish, but we are deciding to just go. Our order is much smaller, so we're not gonna have them come all the way out here. We're just gonna meet them there. They'll give us our fish that we ordered, and we'll drive them quickly here and get them back to the pond and get them acclimated.
Mom, are these fish gonna die?
No, we're taking them to our pond.
But are you getting all the fishes, Mom?
There's 150 bluegill.
Nice.
Alright, we gotta hurry up.
Wow!
So we are home now with the fish, and we have to let them sit for 15 minutes in the pond water to acclimate. It's been 15 minutes. The fish should be acclimated, so we're gonna get ready to release them out into the pond.
You wanna come and...
Yeah. Here's those are the fathead minnows.
Yeah, it's 5 pounds of fatheads. Alright, here we go. Ready?
Yep. Okay, what are we doing next?
Not sure. Okay, so these are regular bluegill. 1 to 3 inch regular bluegill. So these are the little bags.
All right.
There we go. I don't know how those guys were doing it. My fingers are cold.
I know.
Okay, so these are Redear Sunfish. So they look very similar to bluegill, but the edge of their gill plate is red.
And they're pretty.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and let them go now. It's pretty cloudy over there.
Okay. Here's nice and clean.
This one is the channel cats. These guys are pretty cool. So that's a little 6 to 8 inch channel cat.
Oh yeah, that's awesome. Okay.
There you go.
There they go.
Yep.
Oh, this guy's still nice and close.
This is what the crappie look like.
These are crappie. Here go the crappie. Okay. And the last one is what?
Hybrid bluegill.
You think this will be enough that we don't have to stock again, or do you think we'll be stocking come fall?
This will be stocking fathead minnows. So
Minnows.
here, this is the hybrid bluegill. These are a mixture between green sunfish and a bluegill.
Okay, let's do another close up. I need to get a good shot. Nice. All right.
Here we go.
All right, that's going to be it. Thank you so much for joining us. See you next time. Bye.